Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. So, yes, it's Monday. It is Monday, and I see you're enjoying what to do when there's no doctor series. And yes, we will jump right in. We have quite a bit to cover, and as you can see, it is well overcast. We got some rain, praise God, and we're looking forward to more. So yes, we are on a farm. You hear the goats, the kids. Yes, so as we talk about IFAK, do you remember what that is? Yes, I hope you do remember because we're going to be talking about you and your individualized first aid kit. Keep watching as we will show you what to have in your individual first aid kit.
Disclaimer: I am no medical doctor, and so these natural remedies are shared as recommendations. Use considerately.
What to do when there is no doctor? What to do when there's no doctor? Grab for your first aid kit. Now, you may be saying, why do we need a first aid kit? Well, you need a first aid kit as it says first aid. So, first aid means that this is going to help you aid. This will help you first. Got it? First aid kit. This will help you first. I know you've been seeing us show you this kit for some time now, maybe over a year. And so it's time to show you what's inside and what, according to doctors Joseph and Amy Alton, what you should have in your individual first aid kit. Now, before we go into that, I want to make this point that they made, that every member of your family should have one of these or have an individual first aid kit. Now, for me or for us, that is very eye-opening because we have one. And you may say, why every individual of your family or every family member should have a first aid kit? Yes, it is important that each one of your family members have a first aid kit for themselves in the event that you're separated as a group. Like you may need to go, one may need to go somewhere else and the other is left at home or whatever. You have your own kit with you. For what? First aid. Help you first. And so it is important, and yes, we do have work to do because we have to double up on each of the items that we'll be showing you. And if you don't have it, don't be alarmed. You know, these information that we're sharing with you is for you to prepare so you can get them one by one. You don't need to stress yourself that, oh, I need to get this because I don't have it, and get frantic. No, you can take a deep breath and strategize, make a list, and I will go down the list with you. We will go down the list with you and show you what is recommended in your individual first aid kit. So yes, we will show you right away what's in here. And I think what we should do, we should give you the list and then I show you what's inside here. So let's do that. Let's give you the list of what is recommended, and then I'll show you what we have in here, and then we will close off. So I will share, there are about 30 items in here. I will not go into all of it, but maybe I could post it in the description section of this video. I'll try to post what they recommend to be in the IFA, that is the individual first aid kit, IFAK. All right, so they do recommend that you have nitrile gloves, hypoallergenic, face mask, cold pack or hot packs, and that's the instant one or the reusable, Also, they recommend a scalpel, ace wrap, compressed gauze, a nail clipper, iris scissors, and like I said, I'm giving you a few: super glue or medical glue, tweezers, a flashlight, bandage scissors, and duct tape, cloth medical tape, alcohol wipes, sting relief wraps, burn gel packets, hand sanitizer, which is very important these days, and we are very heightened with that with the pandemic. Adhesive bandages, antibiotic ointments or creams, um, ibuprofen tablets, Benadryl, aspirin, waterproof pencil and paper. Well, waterproof paper and pencil, and raw honey packets. And like I said, there are a few that I did not mention, like the ace wraps, very important. And also, so when we talk about scalpel, also is called a knife or a field knife or a surgical knife. And also they recommend that you have a survival blanket. Each person have a survival blanket. Also, tincture of benzoin, and yes, they say to help this. What is this? Strips stick to skin. Okay. All right. So a tincture of benzoin, and I'll put the list in the description section of this video, or I'll try to put the list in the description section of this video. And gauze dressing, sterile or non-sterile, and they're recommending different sizes, various sizes, and the list goes on. And as we talk about individual first aid kit, this is a kit that you would take with you wherever you go, at least, especially when you are, if you have to leave home, or if you have to be on the go, it is important to have this kit with you. So according to doctors Joseph and Amy Alton, in the book The Survival Medicine Handbook, obviously, or first aid kit or individual first aid kit would need more parts to it or items. However, and you may be saying, like me, you may be saying, well, I really don't have all the stuff that they recommend. But the reality is, even if you have some basic things in there, that will make a big difference. And so due to time restraint, we will share the items of our first aid kit in detail in another video. So don't be disheartened. Just make sure you have something. Basic is good. Even if you don't have everything, at least there is a start, and you can build on it as time goes by. As we wrap up Monday Medz today, I'm reminded of the story of Lot and his family leaving Sodom and Gomorrah, and they were not ready to leave. Yet still the angel came and hurried them out with great urgency. As we talk about having an individual first aid kit, it is so important that you sense the urgency of the time that we're living in, that these are very important items for us to have. But in all of that, as we get prepared for what is to come and to have these items on hand, we should remember that we should allow God to guide our path. And just like the angels guided Lot and his family out of Sodom, allow the angel of God to guide you Allow the Holy Spirit to guide you in what you need to have for your family's protection. I pray you have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.